afternoon, students. And today we are going to see about unordered list in HTML. The last session we have seen about ordered list. Ordered list will summarize things that ordered lists are the list of items which are listed with numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4, or it's going to be Roman numerals, and it can be alphabets uppercase A, B, C, D, E, F, and the lowercase alphabets A, B, C, D, E. Coming to this part of unordered list, definitely it's going to be the vice versa of the ordered list which we have seen. Unordered list is for bullets based listing. Right, bullets can be, you can have an arrow bullets, you can have a square bullets, can have a circle bullets, disc bullets we can have. That kind of listing can be made possible using unordered list. The unordered list in HTML is given using the UL tag. Right, as the name suggests, the tag suggests that U stands for unordered and L stands for list. Obviously, all the tags that are given in HTML are enclosed inside an angular bracket. So, the angular brackets, inside the angular bracket, we have used UL, that is the unordered list. An unordered list starts with the UL tag, obviously, which as I told you in the previous slide. Each list item starts with the LI tag, right? LI stands for the list item, same as in the case of the ordered list. The only difference is the ordered list is enclosed, or the ordered list is given using the tag OL. The unordered list is given using the tag UL. And the sub tag, which is inside this parent tag, we have a list item tag, LI tag, which lists out the item based on the ordered or unordered list which you have given as a parent tag. By default, what bullet will be displayed using the unordered list is it's going to be the small black circles by default. I summarize this slide. As we have seen, the first point indicates that the parent tag is given as UL. And UL stands for the unordered list. It's given inside the angular bracket. And the sub tag which comes under this parent tag is the list item, that is the LI. And the default bullet that is displayed in the web page is going to be the small black circle. We move to the coding here. As the coding indicates here, that we have the parent tag UL tag, that is the unordered list, and at the end the UL list has been closed with the, which you can obviously see with the forward slash. In between this opening UL tag as well as the closing UL tag, you have the list of items, that is Sachin, Kohli and Dhoni, and each list item has been closed as we have told that it's going to be dark circle, it's going to be the default bullet that can be displayed. But on the right hand side of the screen, we have an output by name Sachin, Kohli and Dhoni. It's going to be the dark circle that is displayed. Same as in the case of ordered list, what we have seen on the ordered list has different types of listing, that is Roman numerals in caps, normal numerals in smaller case, alphabets A, B, C, D in capital letters, alphabets A, B, C, D in small letters, and we have normal numerals numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Same as in the case of unordered list, we have different types of bullets. The table indicates that we have a disc bullet, we have a circle bullet, we have a square bullet, or we don't have bullets, and none can also be specified. All these things that can be specified using the CSS property, that is list style type property. The list style type property of the unordered list tag can be used to list down or specify what type of bullet is needed for the list item to be displayed on the web page. As I told you, this table describes the different types of bullet, that is the disc, the circle, the square, or if you don't specify anything, you can give it as none, that bullet will not be displayed. This coding explains the use of the style property, style attribute of the UL tag. The coding indicates that the UL tag has been started, that is the parent tag has been started, and it makes use of one attribute, that is the property style. Style equal to list style type : square semicolon double quotes. The tag ends there, which means what type of style we are going to use as bullet in this case is going to be square. And the list item is the same which I have seen in the ordered list, that is Sachin, Kohli and Dhoni. And the unordered list has been closed using that forward slash. And what is given in the right hand side of the screen is the output. Obviously, we get a square bullet there. Sachin, Kohli and Dhoni has been listed using a square bullet. This, I think, this is summarizes the entire thing that is behind the unordered list. To end this session, I again recollect the things what we have seen. See, the unordered list is given or specified in HTML using a parent tag, that is the UL tag. Obviously, all tags are enclosed inside a angular bracket, and unordered list UL, U stands for the unordered and L stands for the list. And the second point indicates that the list that needs to be, the items needs to be listed under this unordered list will come under the tag LI. LI stands for list items. This is same as in the case of the ordered list. And the default bullet that needs to be, that will be displayed in the web page is, without giving any style property to this unordered list tag, is the small black circle. This small coding snippets will explain you regarding the usage of unordered list. We see in the left hand side of the screen you have an unordered list tag in between this angular bracket, and at the end of this coding you have a closed unordered list. In between this unordered list tag we have a sub tag that is going to be the list items, which comes under this unordered list, and this item has each list as its own opening and closing tag. Obviously, on the right hand side, we have an output that by default, if none of the style has been specified, it's going to be dark circle. Sachin, Kohli, and Dhoni has been listed out in bullets, that is the dark circles. This is the different type. This table explains you about the different types of bullet that can be used in using the CSS list style property. That's going to be the disk type, a circle type, a square type. If none of the bullet is needed, you can give none. This coding explains you the use of the style property. See, the unordered list tag is open, and we make use of one of the attribute, that is the style. This is the CSS style type, which is equivalent to, we are making use of the property list style type :square. Obviously, what is listed out to the right hand side is the output. The output is Sachin, Kohli and Dhoni, that has been listed using a square bullets. Thank you for patient listening. So far we have seen something related to unordered list as well as the ordered list in the previous video clips. And ordered list summarizes the list to be displayed in number format, alphabets formats, lowercase, uppercase, Roman numerals in upper and lowercase. And ordered list, unordered list displays each and everything using bullets. Obviously, this screen tells you this list has been displayed using square bullets. In the next session, we will continue with the description list. What is the usage of description list? How it can be used inside the HTML page. Thank you for patient listening. Thank you.